Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you use warp stabilizer in Premiere Pro. So guys, to use warp stabilizer in Premiere Pro, you need to just go to your effects. So click on effects and just search here warp stabilizer. As you can see, the effect is here. You need to just put it on the clip like this, and after that you need to wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it has started. You need to wait for until it goes 100%, and after that you can choose motion or smooth motion or no motion. Then you can change the motion to 100% to get the maximum smoothness, and you can just check the video. You can do it to any kind of shaky video to use the warp stabilizer, and it will stabilize the video. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.